Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you so much for joining me today. So in today's video, I thought I would just do a quick update of what's coming up for November. I will also do the unboxing for the latest Grabie holiday box. I am so excited, you guys, to show you that, or whatever. But anyway, so I will be sharing the Grabie unboxing soon. For November, for the month of November, what will I be doing? And I'm just going to show you this page because this is the last entry in my journal. This is my Halloween entry, and this one, of course, was using some of the Grabie products from their Halloween box. And I don't really like scary Halloween, so for me this worked out so well because not scary. This is just a piece of a tissue box that I added that I'm just kind of pulling them apart when I like the colors. So anyways, but I really like that I was able to use some of the pieces from their Halloween collection, and you know, not scary to me. If you don't know what this composition journal is, this is the one I've been using since the beginning of September. I said I'm not sure what I'm doing with the cover yet because I was more focused on, you know, kind of filling in my pages. I will do a flip through of this soon if you want to see it. I think I'm doing the flip through soon with some happy mail that has come in. I'm also going to be showing you, this is for November. We're still doing the Daphne's Diary Planner 2026 giveaway. If you don't know what that is, I will link that video below. You have time to enter, of course. And every entry, if you decide to leave a comment in any November video, then you're kind of given more chances to win that. Yeah, I said the junk journal flip through. I've got some more hauls coming with this one. We're going to be doing a holiday card exchange, you guys. This is for my subscribers. I'll give you more details about that in a little bit. I'm so excited. I decided to do it. I'm just going to do it this year. I've been thinking about it for a while, and I'm going to do it. As I said, happy mail. We are still working on the ideas junk journal that we've been working on. I think there's a few videos right now. I do have a playlist. So if you, again, are not familiar with that and you want to join, check out the playlist. Super easy to do. You can join at any time because I'm making the journal very easy to put together. And then just different ideas that you can add to the pages. And I think that's all I wanted to share about so far what's coming up in November. But let me get right into the unboxing. Oh, and before I forget, thank you so much, those of you supporting the shop. Thank you so much for your comments, for liking the videos. It really helps the channel. I will link everything in the video description in case I forget something. And yeah, let's get into this one. Okay, so this is the holiday box, and I love their boxes. They're very sturdy, and also I just love the fact that their packaging is specifically for them, which is lovely. Look at the gorgeous colors, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited for this package. This one includes these fabric ribbons, and I love the different colors, and there's certainly enough for, you know, gift wraps or using in our junk journals. Whatever it is that you would like to use these for, I absolutely like the fact that they've included these as well. If you have been watching my channel and you're a subscriber, you know that I share many hauls and unboxings, and one of them is for Grabie. And their boxes are always gorgeously coordinated. They come with many different goodies, including these little pins that you can collect. And the more you collect, you get a discount for them. And these are little nail stickers, which I have to admit I've been thinking about getting. And now that I have these, I think I will certainly start using these up, especially as the holidays approach. There's one that is just white, and then the other one that has the Christmas colors on it. Really cute idea, I think. And if you're not using it for your nails, then, you know, you could use it in a journal entry or any little project. But I think they would be so cute, you know, to use them up as they should be. I love their acrylic marker pens. They are Very similar to another brand, but what I love about them is that they just feel so much nicer in your hand, like an actual pen. They're not that, thick to hold. And it's just, I love that they included the silver and the gold this time. And the paper, can you see the glimmer, the shine, the sparkle? Oh, this is perfect. I like that there's a variety of colors and that they already have the little sparkle in it. They've got one of these included this time, which is great. That's always perfect, especially if you've got a lot of stickers that you're trying to peel off or just hold. These types of items that you're maybe trying to glue onto something, it's great to have these tweezers to hold onto them. So these are little cardstock die cuts, and you can see how cute they are. I really, really love their coordination of these, and the colors are really nice. I'm just going to show you, they've got some snowflakes, a little house. So they definitely have a few snowflakes that can be used in just about any project, which is really lovely. And anything I'm showing you guys, I will link below. I do know that they have some of the products in their shop that you can purchase on their own if you don't want to get the subscription box at this time. And the discount code that I have for you as well, you can use it for items in their shop with the exception of their subscription box. And here's some more stickers. This is the gold and the silver. Look at that shine. I'm totally getting into the season right now, and it's only November. Love, love, love it. I mean, I already started working on my Christmas journal as well. If you haven't been following along, we're making an ideas reference journal, and I think I'll be using that as well for my December daily probably. Okay, so this is what I was so excited about, the huge sticker and paper book. You can get this on its own, but it does come in the subscription box for December. And look at the different designs and the different types of paper that it includes. Now, I do have one that I showed you for Halloween. I also showed you the subscription box for fall. Quite a few others if you wanted to check those out. In case you're interested in purchasing something else in their shop, I do have the unboxing for some of those items. And these papers are so easy. They come with like tearaway, pages, so it's easy to pop them out. These are little paper cutouts, I guess. You can just pop them right out, and then you've got some stickers. And even the backs of the sticker paper have a gorgeous design, so if you wanted to just use it, to add your stickers to that, you could. I do wonder though what else you could use that paper for, because one side of course has the anti-stick backing, and then the other side has the design, so it would be kind of hard to stick that side down. But I'm trying to figure out, if I happen to have the leftover backing paper, what I could do with it, because it's just really, really nice paper, and again with the designs, right? So these ones here, you would cut these out, and then these again pop right out. They've already been pre-cut, and here you can get these out and pop them onto this little piece here. So all these pop out of the paper. And I love the different themes and designs here as well. There's more stickers. And as I showed you with my little sneak peek of my creative journal, I love using stickers, you guys, in my journaling. And this is just perfect for that. These are little journaling cards, or I guess you could use them as postcards if you wanted as well. And these ones are perforated, so they, you know, they can cut them right out. Again, these ones do the same thing. Just fold them over and pop them right out. Then we've got some more sticker sheets. Love all these designs. They have so many different products in their shops, my friends. You will find such a variety. This one, of course, is called the Holiday Magic Themed Scrapbook Club Box, but you could get the Collage Activity Book on its own if you wanted to. And I do know they offer free shipping, at least at the time that I checked, if you spend over $59.99 US, but that does exclude the subscription boxes. So I think the price of the box is like $10 more than the book itself. So I think that's a great value as well. But anyways, as you can see, there is so much in this book that I think would last you a very long time. I really can't wait to start using it in both my journaling and my snail mail and my pen pal mail. So many things I can use this for, and it's just all in one perfect little book that I can just go back to and pull things out and grab some stickers and, you know, cut out some papers, etc. I am really excited about getting some journaling done because there is so much in here that has already inspired me. And as you can see, they make it so that you could actually use the book itself. So you could collage right on some of the pages if you wanted to, or, you know, stick some things to the pages if you wanted. But I think these are just such inspiring booklets full of goodies. And if you like Christmas as much as I do, then I think this is such a wonderful book to have. I know they had an advent calendar, and I was told that sold out very, very quick. So I didn't get a chance to get that or show it to you guys, but it looked amazing. And I'm just wondering if for next year they'll probably have a lot more. But yeah, their advent calendar, I was told, sold out super quick. So I don't really know how much of the products they would have available by the time Christmas comes around. But yeah, I was a little sad not to be able to check that one out, but hopefully next year I'll be able to show it to you guys. I'm trying to start showing you more products on my channel. Hopefully I can find some additional shops that I can show you goodies from. I really love to see the different products that are out there, and in particular, you know, products that I think are great value. And I think this subscription box and also their products are great. I use their pens all the time, their acrylic markers all the time. Of course, their stickers, and I think I did show you guys a watercolor one as well. They have that in their shop. So as I said, you can purchase individual items, or you can purchase subscription boxes, and they have a lot of variety of goodies that you might be able to enjoy. And we're getting close to the end here. So as I said, I will have the discount code and the links in the video description, as well as I will put the discount code on the screen in case you are not able to find the links. But yeah, definitely check out their website. They have so many goodies. I love these like sweater papers. I think the ugly sweater thing is like one of my favorite things to see. And look at these, you guys. The retro cassette players and the record players. Oh my gosh. Love, love, love those. I think I'll definitely be using probably these ones to start because I really like the way these are designed. And then you've got some additional sheets. I think these are full-on sticker sheets. It seems to be like the whole thing is a large sticker sheet, I think. And so is this one. So I guess you could fussy cut out the letters that you see here. I'm just trying to test out the paper to see if it comes right off, but I believe it does. These are the little gingies, super adorable. They pop right out, I think. Yep, they do. Really cute. And then I know that this book also includes some wrapping paper, which I think is also really nice. Oh, I like the colors on those. So here are some of the wrapping papers that come in this book. So they have 4 different designs, and they're double-sided. So that's this one here. Oh, I love the hearts and the stars. And then you've got this one here. And of course, if you're not wrapping gifts with it, you could certainly use that in your crafty projects because it's a nice large sheet of paper that they include. And again, it's double-sided. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. And remember, if you're entering my giveaway for the month of November, leave a comment, you'll get an extra entry. Thank you for joining me. I will see you very soon with some more projects and some more ideas and hauls and that sort of thing. So thank you so much. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.